Welcome to SDA Academy. I'm Thiago. In today's presentation, we are going to show you a powerful feature that has the potential to revolutionize your PLC management approach. With the SDA Backup solution, you have the capability to seamlessly monitor alterations to your PLCs, including those executed locally. Without further delay, let's get started. We have previously demonstrated the process of integrating the PLC into SDA's console, following the configuration of our gateway within your local network. If you aren't familiar with this process, please consult our quick start guide in our YouTube channel or review prior videos in the SDA Academy. I have already configured the PLC in the SDA console as illustrated here. This PLC oversees regulating the blinking frequency of these LED lamps. Let us proceed to upload the initial version of our project, aimed at decreasing the blinking speed of these lamps. Here you can see that you can extract some key information when you upload the file. For the Siemens project, we can extract the vendor and the IDE version from the uploaded file, so you don't even need to select the vendor and the IDE version by yourself. Add a project name and a project description as long as some meaningful tags, and hit the Create Project button. Then wait a few minutes while our console processes your project file. Here we go! Now let's proceed with the deployment of this version for our project, which will make the LED lamps to blink slowly. Choose the deployment settings that make sense for your case and click the Next button. Confirm the deployed hitting the Deploy button. Be aware that this might affect physical assets before confirming this action. Wait until the deployment is done and voila! We have changed our PLC configuration remotely. We can see that the remote deploy was a success, since now you can see the lamps blinking slowly and we can even see the lamp colors. Now, let's assume a colleague has modified the PLC configuration on site. As visible on our camera screen, the LEDs are now blinking rapidly again. However, this alteration is not reflected in your console, as the last project version deployed and currently present in your console does not include this new change. The pressing question becomes, how can we ensure that our PLC status remains synchronized with our SDA console? More crucially, how do we ensure that we do not lose track of any PLC changes? The solution lies in your backup feature. Let's explore its functionality. Navigate to the Control Configuration tab and activate the backup process by toggling the Code Backup slider. Tailor the backup settings to your preferences, selecting the specific days and times for the backup to occur. You can choose whether to backup the entire PLC project or just the last deployed version. Additionally, enable the notifications option if you wish to receive email alerts under certain conditions, such as the deployment of a new version, any backup failures, or successful backup completions. You can even add external emails if you want. Now complete the setup by clicking the Save button, and finally activate the backup. After activating the backup feature, we will be directed to the backup processing stage. Please allow a few minutes for this process to complete. We will notice that, due to your PLC configuration not being synchronized with the data in the SDA console, our algorithm has already backed up your project. Additionally, you have the option to initiate manual backups by clicking on the designated button. And that concludes the process. Now, there is no need to spend time performing manual backups or losing countless hours tracking changes. You can maintain your focus where it truly belongs, on developing and refining the optimal PLC code for your projects. Thanks for watching! For more guides, check out the SDA Academy at softwaredefinedautomation.io or our SDA YouTube channel.